Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, taking a quick 2 minutes to introduce you to another fresh arrival. This is a beautiful 2020 Chevy Silverado crew cab with the big back doors. Has a clean Carfax, just 65,000 miles and 15 service records. This is a nice truck with a smoke-free cabin that we just took in. Very unique and very nice. It has a market price of $33,900, and we've got it on sale this week. Those are a brand new set of Summit radials. Has a factory trailer tow package, backup camera, that ultralight tailgate. Those tires are brand new, and this is the truck that we just took in, 65,000 miles, a clean Carfax, and on sale this week. Big back doors, very spacious. 3 seat belts in the back for your team. As you come into the front, has backup camera, that large center console that'll make it nice not to share. It has a 5.3 Vortec V8, and this is just a nice truck that has recently come in. Has rubber floor mats, and is available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Prestige is located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. Our phone number is 694-1234, and we're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And it's our daily goal to make it both easy and affordable for our neighbors to own nicer, newer cars, trucks, SUVs. This beautiful Chevy Silverado is just an example of the nice trucks that we have here at Prestige. 2020 clean Carfax, market price is $33,900, and we've always got them marked down. This is Chris at Prestige in Ocala. If you're looking for a clean, unique truck, and you're not looking for one of those $1,000 to $1,500 car payments, stop by and see us. This is Chris at Prestige in Ocala. We've got some great national lenders, fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris Credit, where I finance it myself, and we do that some 10 to 15 times a month. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.